Here's a 2018 Cadillac Escalade. It stays true to its Cadillac soul, offering sophistication throughout while being everything you need an SUV to be. It comes with great features you'll love: Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the console, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.